I'm excited to read this book with you guys. So, the hot sun warms the Amazon jungle. All morning long, mosquitoes buzz and hum. Butterflies fly into and faro. Monkeys swing in the tall trees. The magical places. Birds chit-chat. Frogs nap under giant leaves. Turtles sit in the sun by noon clouds together. Soon the crash and boom thunder shakes the jungle. Lightning fills the sky. Suddenly, it's raining. The mosquitoes stop buzzing. The butterflies are still. The butterflies are still. The monkeys hide under the dripping leaves. The birds rush into their nests and frogs jump from puddle to puddle. The turtles drive into the river. When the rain stops, one by one, animals come out. Once again, the hot sun warms the Amazon jungle. I am so excited to read with you guys next time. Bye-bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.